Thank you. At first, a view from Estonia, from AHHAA Centre. My colleague said me today, you should probably dance, not to speak. So okay, let's do that way. But I'm not dancing alone, so Mati, come along. Come here. I'm not embarrassed alone here. And also, I ask you to participate in our little exercise. It is very easy. So stand up, yes. And you can use your neighbor or imaginary friend if you don't have a member. And I show you very simple exercise. So clap your hands and join the right hand. Clap your hand, join the left one. Clap your hands and and now shout help. Good job. We do it once more. So right, left, good job. Thank you all.
Ja, det dockar extra mycket.
So you probably did it in your childhood, but not in the meaning to encourage your brain, both sides of your brain, to work together and communicate better. So I think now we are ready for our video, to watch it, to understand it, and to concentrate on it. Thank you. So this is our way to look behind the words and to combine the RRI with inquiry-based learning and concentrate to build up the better process and better communication. Thank you for your attention.
Okay. Hello, my name is Tomas. I'm from Baltic Hub, Lithuania. I have 4 minutes, so go. Next, should I? How to? Okay. I will tell you in short a promising practice from Lithuania, and it's about very topical question from around the world, and especially in Eastern Europe. It's digital piracy, and some data according to Software Alliance and Microsoft. Around 108 billion euros could be lost due to illegal software and pirating, and 78% of so-called file-sharing websites contain spying software. 36% of illegal downloaded software contains Trojan horse software, and what makes users, well, the users pay because 48% of illegal software users lose their documents, data, their personal data, 29% lose, and of course computers are slowed down. The reform in Lithuania, a cluster of 15 stakeholders got together. They are called Clear Digital World to solve the piracy issues, and of course the goal, here are the companies, universities and associations that have joined this cluster, and their goal is of course no digital piracy. And what they are doing, they started their activities from 2011, and they established infrastructure, hardware, so called, and now they are the next steps. They are dividing into 3 steps, and these are research on piracy scale, second stage training of specialists, and third stage search for solutions. Here you can see all the servers, laboratories, and other hardware that they have established. And this hardware is open to university teachers and students to do their research. Okay, their main results are IT solutions to monitor and block illegal software. In general, they are about to propose legislative documents to government to motivate users not to use illegal contents, and of course to inform society. And shortly about RRI situation in Lithuania, interviews have showed that scientists do not relate to the term responsible, and it's very often confused with the term ethics. And my main question was how to make researchers and all stakeholders fall in love with RRI, because as John Lennon said, all we need is love. And by love I mean attract stakeholders, foster cooperation, improve research culture, and educate. And these are the main and basic things that need to be done. Thank you.